Now we want to open the report builder. In that report builder, we can choose a build a new report manually. So here, first of all, I want to develop a query. This is the common for that, and we should connect with the data means the database. Here, observe this one. Each and every time I don't want to use the mouse. Let it be. Observe this. It is a shortcut key. Directly, I want to click on that connect button while using keyboard. How we can go to do that? Control. No. Here, observe this one. I don't know what is the shortcut we want to use while connected with the database. Okay, N, can we possible directly go for N? Exactly. Then here we can use Alt. These are the shortcut keys. You should remember that shortcut keys. How means here, observe this one. In this one, suppose I want to go for query builder. Here, which is the character is having the underline, that character you can specify in our keyboard. You don't need to use the mouse each and every time, right? Right now we are working with that keyboard. Here, just we can choose the Alt, press Alt Q. Okay, here we need to connect with the database first of all. Then only that is the result. Observe this one, where the located is the cursor is located, the respected point highlighted, right? Suppose say example, I want to choose the cancel. Okay, Alt C. So these are the keywords. Just which is the character is highlighted, you can choose the Alt, and that particular character you can press automatically. The direct direction will be go for that, hit into the respected keyword. Clear? Yeah. Then now I want to be apps VAS. Next, Alt O. Right? Next, Alt O. I didn't use any mouse. That is the, so these are the means it will be into your fastness. Okay. So now go to layout model. Here first of all we should go for of the confine mode, flex mode, and adjust the edit margin. And yeah, mainframe and a repeating frame and field. EMP number, ID, job, salary, commission, department number. We select all fields. We don't have colors. We don't have any lines. Now let it be run it. But here we generate the output within the report builder only. It is not my requirement. My requirement is I want to generate the output in another location as a text format. Another location as a text format. How we can do that? So for this particular requirement, we can go for the system parameters. Okay, then here we can use only few parameters which is applicable for our requirement. Then the desk format, it is a So here we want to give delimited. The keyword is delimited. Okay, and next we can go for desk name, and 1 second, desk type. Here we can check the desk type is a file. We don't want to generate the output within the location. Okay, now I want to generate as a file. Okay, and go to desk name. Here we can specify the path where exactly you want to generate the output. Okay, then here I have a location I want to set it. Suppose JPP 9. Reports. Just I want to generate the report in this particular location. Then here we can go that. Okay. Next, what is the format we want to choose? Text format. Suppose say example I am giving mp.txt. Okay. Now we can check it whether the file is generated or not. Okay, then we'll be completed that requirement and will be compile it and run it. So here we are getting one more pop-up window. What is that? Print. We don't have the printer option in our machine, right? That is the reason we cancel that. Then go to print job. Initially it is having yes, we can change it to no. Whenever we change the format type is a file, automatically it is enabled as a yes. Then again we can go to run it and run it. Then report is generated, but it does not show us in our within the output. Now we can check it. Okay, this is the output is generated. Suppose here I want to generate as a Excel. I want to generate as a Excel output. How we can do that? Very simple. Go to desk format or desk name. Yeah, desk name. Here we can specify XLS, Excel format. Okay, again we can run it. Program, compile and run it. There. Now it is generated. Okay, then we can open it. We are able to see the output in Excel format. It's a very important interview point of they're asking this question. Next we can go for the another one. I want to generate the output in HTML format. HTML format. HTML. Again we compile it and run it. HTML format is generated, but it is not applicable here, but definitely it is working. Okay, then if you want to open this one, here it is show us as a HTML format. Clear on that? So now here we understand how to generate the files in another location. Are we clear on that? Okay, then next we want to go for, we want to fulfill our requirement. What is our requirement? As per the parameter value, it is generated into the another location. Suppose if you choose the text, it is generated the text format. If you choose the Excel, it is generated the Excel format. If you choose the PDF, it is generated the PDF format. Then how we can go to achieve that? Can you tell me anyone which is logic we want to use for this? Right now we don't have any parameter also. So first what we do? We want to create a parameter. Which parameter? Either bind parameter or lexical parameter. Normal parameter. Okay, then now I can define the normal parameter. Okay, good. The next
where we can write the logic.
Validation trigger. Okay, that what we want to write it. Analyze. Format trigger. Is it necessary to use the format trigger? So where we want to restrict that data, we didn't enter into the layout model, right? We have only one layout. At parameter point of only we want to restrict that. If you pass text, then if you want to pass text, generate the text output. If you want to pass Excel, then it is generate the Excel output. Then analyze. Why we want to go for SRW? SRW is not required here. If you want to pass text, have you understand my words or not? Have you understand my words or not? If you want to pass text, then we generate the text output. If you want to pass Excel, then we generate the Excel output. Then condition validation trigger is good. Okay, then here if what is the parameter name? E1 equal to text. Okay, then but right now we don't have any parameter list in our we don't have any values in our parameter. It is showing error. So what we do first? First we define the list of values in our parameter. Clear? Then just I want to close that one. Here we want to pass the data type is character and go to list of values. Here we can specify the static values is text and what is that? HTML and text and what is that? Excel. Okay, then so now we can go for click on OK, then go to validation trigger. Here if parameter one is text, then what we do? Where we want to generate the output? Text output, right? Here which system parameter is applicable for that? Then here desktop or another one? Des name here. Then we can specify des name will be assigned it, right? Okay, then here we can specify the just you can remove that path. Okay, that path is not required now. Here we can write it. Then it is a text format. Next, we have only one condition. We have how many? Three condition. Else if, right? Else if parameter 1 equal to Excel, then des name Excellus. Then next, else if parameter 1 equal to HTML, then yes, HTML, right? Finally, and if and return true. Compile it. Are we clear on that? It's a very simple logic, right? Now we close it. Whenever we write the condition in our validation trigger, we need to remove this condition. Okay, we need to remove this condition. Okay, otherwise both will be going to running. It is coincide. Okay, now let it be check it. Go to compile, click on run it. Now I run the HTML. So here, before that, I want to remove that reports, and I want to remove this each and every file. Okay, let it be, check it. Now run it. Generated or not? Then next again we can go to run it, choose the text format. Okay, then again we will be run the report. Choose the Excel output. Clear on that? So it's a very important one. Interview point out, they are asking this question. Okay, if you want to directly generate the Excel file directly, we can use the system parameter, but this requirement we should write the program logic in validation trigger. That is the very important. Which logic we want to write it? If logic. Okay, so in this way we want to use the system parameters. For this requirement only we can go for system parameters. Yeah, whatever it may be, which is the format you want to do that, but the same logic will be applicable for different business scenarios. Okay, then this is the way we want to work with the system parameters. All of you clear on that?